If you are looking for the perfect opportunity to grow your business and improve your brand, then YouTube is your platform. You can build your followers, increase awareness for your business, and have a massive reach to help you achieve your marketing objectives. With YouTube promotion, you connect with a global audience and your business can flourish with YouTube ads. Let's create a YouTube channel for your business together in 5 simple steps. I'm Zsófia of Myprocesses and I help busy entrepreneurs to automate and outsource their time-consuming tasks without sacrificing their profit. So, if you are looking to make the 4-hour work week a reality or simply avoid burnout, make sure to subscribe and hit the bell to get notified when I release a new video like this. There is no doubt that YouTube is one of the most popular and biggest marketing platforms in the world. With billions of users and enormous number of daily views, you can use it for your own advantage. In fact, there are countless opportunities you can expand your brand on YouTube, especially if your audience is on the platform, but your competitors are not, or they are not good enough. So let's create well-optimized videos on YouTube that are relevant to your targeted audience and get more views, show your talent for the world. In today's video, my main purpose is to explain the main points about YouTube brand promotion, starting with creating a channel and running a full-fledged YouTube channel for your business. So stay tuned till the end and launch your channel together. If you want to promote your business, then YouTube is an ideal platform for that. Here I will disclose the full strategy that will help you to improve brand awareness, generate more leads and conversions, drive more traffic to your website, and generally just improve your sales. Step 1. Create a YouTube channel. Making a successful YouTube brand channel starts with creating one. Very obvious. So literally what you have to do is just basically go to the website, sign in with your Google account, enter your brand name, and your channel is basically created. It's as simple as it is. Once you have a channel, in step 2, let's customize this channel. So, first step is adding channel art. A channel trailer, a starting video can be very good, but you can add it later. But you definitely need a branded profile picture and a banner. Once the customization window is open, you can update your channel's layout, branding, and add your basic info. Pro tip for you is to use editing programs to create channel arts. I recommend Canva. Step 3. Do some audience research. Next, very crucial step is understanding your audience. This will help you to identify their likes and dislikes, and you can work on creating content that people will actually watch. By understanding what motivates people to use YouTube and how your brand fits into their habits, you are better equipped to provide that kind of content for them. You want them to watch your videos, so you need to research them. Step 4. Observe other channels. Another key strategy is to observe the other channels in the same niche. You can go ahead and look for the type of content they are making, their posting schedule, what the audience loves about their channel, and how you can improve your channel by looking at their format. Step 5. Optimize your videos and set a proper schedule. Whether you want to simply build a brand awareness or you want to grow a massive audience, there are a few key metrics that you want to pay attention to as you are designing your video marketing strategy. These key metrics are how YouTube determines which video content to promote and share with the viewers. So you need to watch on your total watch time, average percentage of video viewed, average video duration, and audience retention. Well, maybe that's the most important part because you want people to like your videos and watch them all. If you are doing this right, then you can get them watch as much video as possible. This is very critical to boost your channel and improve your growth on YouTube. Leave me a comment below. Do you already have a business YouTube channel? As you listen till the end, here is my gift. Just drop me a message if your company needs a YouTube channel or if you already have one. Our team can give you a free service of optimizing one video that can lead you easily to 1000 views. Until my next video, stop firefighting and be the creator of your company.